Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, and there's the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share.